Morning, glad to see you.
Hey there, ready for the shift?
Good morning. Welcome to one of the world's most advanced ice cream production facilities. I'm Sarah, and today I'm taking Our day starts at 5 a.m. when fresh ingredients arrive. Quality begins here. Everything must Every ingredient is tested immediately. This cold storage holds enough ingredients to produce ice cream for 3 days non-stop. Temperature control is
Whole milk, 45,000 liters. Heavy cream, 1,000 liter. Sugar, 8,500 kilograms.
immediately. Modern ice cream production is all about precision. Every batch uses exactly the same ratios measured to the gram. Today, we're going to see how our automated system ensures every batch meets our quality standards. We standardize all cream to exactly 36% fat content. This ensures every batch of ice cream has identity to the gram. All ingredients verified. Beginning batch number 247. This is where magic begins, combining simple ingredients into the foundation of ice cream. This is where magic begins, combining simple ingredients into the foundation of ice cream. These tanks mix two
Precisely to emulsification creates the smooth texture ice cream is famous for. We're breaking down fat particles to limits. We monitor 15 different parameters during mixing. If anything goes out of range, the system alerts us immediately.
Pasteurization kills any harmful bacteria while preserving flavor. We heat the mixture to exactly 85 degrees.
Rapid cooling prevents any bacterial growth and prepares the mixture for aging. This quick temperature drop is... Homogenization is what makes ice cream creamy instead of icy.
Homogenization is what makes ice cream creamy instead of icy. We force the mixture
1.2 microns. Perfect.
1.2 microns. Perfect.
All parameters optimal. Batch approved for aging.
Perfect. Aging is a secret step many people don't know about. The mixture rests for at least 4 hours. Perfect.
Aging is a secret step many people don't know about. The mixture rests for at least 4 hours.
Perfect.
We use only real ingredients, real vanilla beans, genuine cocoa, actual fruit purees. Each vanilla bean batch from thousands of hand.
Strawberry puree contains whole fruit particles, and you can actually see tiny seeds in the final product.
Batch 247V. Approved. Flavor, excellent. Proceed to freezing.
This is the heart of ice cream production, the continuous freezer. Gin, liquid mix goes in, ice cream comes out.
The dasher rotates at 200 RPM while scraping ice crystals continuously. This creates millions of tiny ice crystals.
To freezing. To freezing. We need a slight adjustment on the overrun percentage.
This hall packages over 50,000 individual ice cream products every hour.
Soft ice cream from the freezer is only -5 degrees Celsius, too soft for distribution. This temperature monitoring system. Thermal imaging cameras show products cooling down. Each pallet holds nearly 5,000 individual ice cream servings. Our robots can build 30.
This warehouse stores 3 million servings of ice cream. It's like a frozen library. Every product tracked by location.
Unit 32. Proceed to aisle 14B for priority pick.
By location. Okay, let's get these trucks loaded and on the road. The journey from our factory to the freezer aisle is just beginning. By location. Before any ice cream leaves this facility, it passes through extensive quality testing. Just beginning.
All parameters within specification. Batch approved for release.
Just beginning.
90% of water recycled and reused.
Did you see the latest test results?
Yes.
The plant-based formula is showing amazing stability.
And that's the complete journey from fresh milk arriving at dawn to frozen ice cream heading to stores.
Techniking.
Stability.
Subscribe for more factory tours and food production documentaries. Like if you learned something new. Comment your favorite. Thanks for watching. See you in the next factory tour.